Have you ever wondered how currencies are traded globally? Welcome to the world of Forex, short for foreign exchange, where currencies from across the globe participate in a lively dance of trading, creating the largest and most liquid financial market in existence. The primary aim of this global marketplace is to facilitate the exchange of one currency for another. Picture a US-based company that wishes to import goods from Japan. To make this transaction possible, they would need to convert their US dollars into Japanese yen, a process made possible by Forex trading. This trading is a delicate balance of buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. In this arena, currency pairs are quoted relative to each other, with the exchange rate revealing the value of one currency in the eyes of another. The thrilling part? Traders strive to profit from the fluctuations in these exchange rates, speculating on whether a currency will flex its muscles or weaken against its partner. The Forex market is a bustling hub of activity, operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This non-stop action is due to the global nature of the market, with major financial centers across different time zones keeping the wheels of Forex trading turning. The most traded currencies on this stage include the US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, British pound and Swiss franc, among others. In Forex trading, currencies are traded in pairs. Each currency pair consists of two currencies, and the value of one currency is determined relative to the other. The first currency in the pair is called the base currency, and the second currency is the quote currency, or counter currency. Let's take a common example of a currency pair. The Euro-US dollar quoted as EUR-USD, base currency, Euro quote currency, US dollar. The exchange rate for this pair tells you how many US dollars you need to spend to purchase 1 euro, or conversely, how much you'll receive in US dollars if you sell 1 euro. For instance, if the EUR-USD exchange rate is 1.1500, it means to buy 1 euro, you need to spend 1.15 US dollars. If you sell 1 euro, you will receive 1.15 US dollars. However, it's crucial to remember that Forex trading is not a walk in the park. It carries inherent risks, and individuals eager to dip their toes in this market should arm themselves with a robust understanding of its dynamics, effective risk management strategies, and a keen eye on the economic and geopolitical factors that can influence currency movements. Many traders navigate this sea of currencies through online platforms provided by brokers. Choosing a reputable and regulated broker is a critical step in the journey of Forex trading. So there you have it, a sneak peek into the fascinating world of Forex trading. It's a realm of possibilities where currencies from across the globe engage in a dynamic dance of trade, driven by the ebbs and flows of the global economy. Welcome to the global currency exchange, the world of Forex.